Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, 15th July 2020, and I welcome you to the English lesson. Today, we are going to learn about homophones, and we will see lots of examples of homophones because there are many more examples in English language about homophones, and we will try to expand our vocabulary by learning more about homophones, and we will practice dictionary skill as well. And before moving to homophones, let's recap what we did yesterday. All right, yesterday we practiced similes in our textbook and workbook. We learned about similes, that simile is a figure of speech in which we make comparison between two different things by using the word as or like, and we use an adjective in a simile, and simile is used to make our sentences and expressions more interesting and more meaningful. For example, she is as old as the hills, and as we can say that the strawberries are as red as roses. The strawberries are being compared with the roses, and the grapes are as sweet as honey. So here we have compared the sweetness of the grapes with the honey. So that's how we use comparison in sentences, and we learned how to identify similes in these sentences. So today we are going to learn about homophones. That what are homophones? G. So homophones क्या हैं? Let's start talking about them. Alright, let me explain. Homophones are the words which have same sounds but different spellings and different meanings. Alright, what are homophones? Homo means same. Homo means same sounds but different spellings and different meanings. So the words which have the same sound but different spellings and different meanings are called homophones. For example, peace, peace. You see, the sound is same, but the meaning is different and the spellings are different. P-I-E-C-E, peace, and P-E-A-C-E, peace. Feet, feet. Hole, hole. Ring, ring. Right, right. The sound is almost similar. There is no difference between the sound of the words given to these two columns, but they have different meanings. You see, this piece means a portion, a divided part of something, and this piece means harmony, not war, harmony. So this feet is the plural of foot, you see, and this feet, it means accomplishment. It means accomplishment. This one, feet, is the part of your body. This is part of our body, our foot, and this is the plural of foot. Feet. Hole, hole. H-O-L-E, hole, and W-H-O-L-E, hole. H-O-L-E, hole means some cavity or some space. किसी चीज़ में जब कोई cavity आती है, कोई space है, that is called hole, and this hole, W-H-O-L-E, hole, means complete, right? Without any parts. जिसका कोई part नहीं हो, जो complete हो, that is whole. R-I-N-G, ring. It means a circle, right? A circle shape, and this one, ring, W-R-I-N-G, it means to squeeze. जब आप किसी चीज़ को ring करते हैं, नचोड़ते हैं, या किसी को squeeze करते हैं, that is called ring. W-R-I-T-E, write. It means to inscribe something. जब आप कोई चीज़ write करते हैं, लिखते हैं, W-R-I-T-E, write. It's very common. I'm sure that all of you are familiar with this word. And R-I-G-H-T, right, it means direction. You can say that some direction, for example, right, left, right, and it also means you can say that correct, right, correct, right, correct, right answer, correct answer. So there is a difference between the meaning of homophones, but they have same sounds but different spellings and different meanings. So these are the homophones. There are many examples of homophones, and let's see what are these. For that, I would like you to open up your workbook page number 19. All right, workbook page number 19. This is page number 19 and homophones. Please highlight the word homophone and write down the day, Wednesday, 15th July 2020. Homophones. So please, first of all, I would like you to write down. You can use some of the post-it note. Yeah, it's a good idea to use some of the post-it note. So because it will help us to, write examples easily and to define easily. You can paste a post-it note here, right? So here we can write more examples of homophones. First, meet, M-E-A-T, meet, and M-E-E-T, meet. Wear, W-H-E-R-E, and wear, W-A-R, wear. To put on clothes, to put on your clothes. So this is wear and wear. Then we can write hair and hair, right? So these are the examples of homophones. This is pair 1, 2, 3, and you can write more examples, 4, 5, 6, right? So you are supposed to write down examples on your own. आप यहाँ पे अपनी खुद example search करेंगे और write करेंगे. I'll be looking forward to your examples. Alright, so let's fold this. Homophones. Homophones means same sound, right? Same sound but different spellings. Different spellings